So hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on KavinhFX. So in today's video I would like to share my weekly forex forecast for GBPUSD and USD index. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, last week USD index, okay, for my analysis I told you guys that market can come down, okay, if market fails to break the support, if USD index is moving up, but USD index starts moving down guys, USD index starts moving down from this zone, okay, and then market suddenly gave us a buy. This is where GBP is 113 right now. GBP is at 113 guys, okay, after this huge buy candle here, and then right now market is failing to break this support here, this resistance here, okay. So yeah, from what I analyzed guys, USD index, okay, last week my analysis worked, but before that I told you guys another thing, that if market fails to break the resistance on GBPUSD, you guys can place yourself, but be aware of USD index. That's what I told you guys, okay. Sometimes market will move down because it's in a very high position guys, okay. We don't know when it's market gonna fall guys. Market's gonna crash one day, okay, but we don't know the time, and I cannot predict when it's gonna happen, but I can just analyze guys, okay, roughly from what my knowledge I can just analyze only. So you guys can see here, market gave us a fall, okay. Market shows us that it broke the zone, but it never break guys, okay, because half of the body is still above the candle here guys, above the support here, okay. So after that a buy candle came up, buy candle went up. I guys, okay, I expected market to be until here, okay, the buy candle to come until here, 109.840, and that's what happened. After that market started moving down guys, okay. After that market, USD index started like going down guys, okay. So yeah, what's my move for USD index? Let me take a screenshot guys, okay. So right now you guys can see here this big buy candle here, okay. This big buy candle here indicates that buys are still valid in this zone, okay. Buys are still in here, but guys, above here this zone shows us the market couldn't break the zone, okay. So usually when the market is moving like this, okay, the buy candle has formed something like this, and after that small candles forming like this, okay. There are potential for market to form another big candle and move up guys, okay, but that is not very I won't encourage you guys to like make a decision something like that, but this is just my opinion guys, okay. I'm just telling here, I'm just sharing my analysis guys. This is not about making money, okay. I'm not a professional financial advisor guys, okay. So make sure to be clear on that. So there's a potential for the market to do something like this. Oh, right now as you guys can see here, small candles are here guys, okay, but the small candles are failing to break this zone, so we can expect market to move down here guys, okay, around 108.463, okay. Remember this zone guys, 108.463. If market fails to break this zone, okay, then we can expect market to move up and continue a pattern something like this, okay, a ranging pattern to happen guys, okay. Right now as you guys can see here, this zone, okay, at this zone market is forming a candle, but these candles are very small guys, okay, compared to the open and closure. The candle is very small, so you have to be aware of that guys, okay. Sometimes the market can give us a big buy candle and market can start moving up to new higher highs guys, okay. That are possible guys, okay. It's very possible to happen something like that. That's why I'm asking you to make sure to keep your eyes on USD index whenever you are trading pairs related to GBP. To US, you have to keep your eyes on USD index guys, okay. That's very important because USD index is the base here guys, okay. If you're trading GBPUSD, Euro USD, you have to make sure to analyze USD index. Sometimes if USD index is in the resistance, but you are seeing that GBP is in the resistance, okay. So okay, for an example, yeah, your USD index is in the resistance and you're seeing GBP is in the support, okay. So if USD index is in the resistance, I would usually told you guys to sell. But if you're seeing it as support, but sometimes when it's in the support, okay, when it's in the support, you would buy the market. But you have to analyze that guys, the relation you have to analyze. Okay, another example guys, okay, if USD index is in a resistance and GBPUSD is in a resistance, okay, if market USD index in a resistance, we know resistance we have to sell. So for GBPUSD, if you are going to sell USD index, GBPUSD you have to buy. So you have to make sure to analyze it properly guys, okay, because sometimes if it's in the resistance, we know we are going to sell. That's why guys, you have to analyze that properly, okay. Sometimes when I'm speaking here, it might be very confusing for you, but you have to do your own due diligence guys, okay. You have to see your own chart, open your own chart, and then analyze by yourself guys, okay. So yeah, right now you can see the candle is very small, okay. So I won't say that big sellers are here for now, but I can tell you guys that I can guarantee you guys that market will range between these zones guys, 108.463, okay. There are chances for the market to move up guys, something like this, to open a big candle and then retracement to happen and then market to move up, okay. So make sure to keep your eyes on that guys, okay. So yeah, that's all for USD index guys. I'm expecting market to come around 108.463. This is my zone guys, okay. If market breaks this zone, retracement to happen and then to the below zone 106.371, or between here we have some zones though guys, like 107, okay, between this zone, so we can expect market to come down. So yeah, with that said, let me move on to GBPUSD guys. Okay, so for pound, okay, I told you guys that if you guys remember this trend line, I told you guys that if market breaks this trend line, okay, if market breaks this trend line, then we can expect market to move down. But as you guys can see here, what happened, that market moved up. And guys, sorry guys, I thought of doing a video, but I was not, I never had the time guys. Okay, around 117.157 I was analyzing this zone, okay, from my H4 timing guys. Okay, this zone, okay, that's my pointer. Okay, this was my first zone guys. Okay, when market reached this first zone here, we saw a push down and then market started moving up guys. Okay, market started moving up, then I expected market to come here, because why, this is a support here and then there's a candle here. We'll call it dominant breakout guys. Okay, there's a lot of term for the market, but I will identify this as a dominant breakout, which is few candles are breaking as buy candle. So you guys can see here, this candle has not engulfed guys, by 1 point it has not engulfed, so I will consider this as dominant breakout. So I expect the market to come here guys, okay, around this zone. That's what market did guys. Okay, market did, I secured my profit guys, but I was not able to share this in YouTube guys. Okay, when this was happening, I already placed my order guys, so whenever I post in YouTube, it will take around 1 to 2 hours for me to post, so you have to understand that guys. So yeah, sorry guys, my voice. Okay, so yeah, this is what I analyzed guys, and then market started moving down. Okay, market break this zone, I expected market to retrace, but market never come and touch here, market started moving down guys. Okay, so my target was 100 pips, so I completed at 100 pips, and some of you guys identified this zone. That was very good guys. Okay, I was very happy to see that some of you guys identified the zone. To those who made profit also, congrats guys. Okay, so yeah, as I told you guys that USD index has to come down range, so I'm expecting GBPUSD. Okay, let me zoom in first, take a screenshot. So for pound, as you guys can see, there's an indication candle here, so I'm expecting market to come until here guys, so it's until 114.40. okay, so that's not a very big point. That's another zone here around 149, okay, around 115 guys. Okay, and then yeah, okay, don't please ignore this trend line here guys. The trend line work has been done, so I'm expecting market to come until here guys, 114.820. If market breaks the zone, then retracement to happen and then 116 guys. So my target will be 116, but right now as you guys can see here, USD index is very very strong. Okay, remember, and usually when markets are below, we will buy the market, so you have to make sure your order, make sure to put your order properly. If you're willing to take a buy, instant buy guys, okay, make sure to set your cash between 30 to 40 bits guys. Okay, for example, when the market open around 11400, so your SL you can place around 113,900 or 113,800 guys. Okay, 30 to 40, that's what our target. If you're a long time trader, if you're a swing trader, then 50 to 70 pips of stop loss is good for you guys. Okay, so your first TP will be around this zone guys, 114.590 to 114.820, and then your second TP until here 115.280, so 100 pips there, and your third TP around 116.9 guys. Okay, so around 2,700 pips guys. Okay, 270 pips, 2,700 points. So that's what I can give right now guys. Market's very crucial. These are the zones that I'm seeing right now, but if anything goes wrong guys, make sure to place your stop loss. That's very important guys. Okay, if you're on $100 account, if you're going full margin or so, sometimes you have to place your stop loss guys. Okay, because full margin, I would say it's not very safe. I won't encourage you to go for full margin, so don't do that guys. Okay, if you're willing to risk your account, then it's up to you. Okay, I will give it to you, you just do anything you want, but from my advice, I won't ask you to go for full margin. For a $1,000 account, I'll recommend you to place 15 cents. I know it's very low, but from a proper money management, $1,000 you divide by 15 itself, you can see how many points you have there guys. Okay, how many pips your account can sustain. So that's what that's what I'm encouraging you guys for 1,000 pips, 1,000 ringgit, $1,000, you can place around 15 cents. Okay, so 1,000 you divide by 15, roughly you have 6,666 pips guys. Okay, so that's very safe compared to me. If you're going to going full margin, so it's up to you guys. Okay, so right now this will be my target guys. Okay, 114.590 to 820, my first target. Second target around 115.280. Okay, let me mark the zone here, the red pen. Erase this. Okay, so my first target will be this zone guys, second target will be this zone, and my third target will be here guys. Okay, around here. So make sure to target just 100 pips guys. That's what I'm going to target for the week. Okay, 100 pips for the week is just enough for me. If you're willing to target more, make sure to analyze USD index and move in guys. Okay, So yeah, with that said, I would like to end today's video, guys. Guys, another thing, guys, okay, don't skip my video, okay. Another thing, we are currently at 395 subscribers, guys, okay, 395 subscribers. And guys, we are reaching 400 subscribers. And I would like to say another one thing, guys, okay, to those who are asking me for a personal coach, okay, personal coaching class, I have a trader here, guys, okay. He's very brilliant with his method. I've been trading with him for quite some time. His method works very well, guys, okay. So I will attach his number here, or if you guys are willing to willing to message him, if you are willing to join his personal coach class, it's very lesser, guys, okay, compared to all of the traders out there, okay. Some of them are charging like $500 per session, okay. From what I heard, he's just charging $50 or $80, guys, okay. Sometimes the money fluctuates, guys, okay, due to the knowledge that he's giving. So I think he's charging around $100 there, guys, okay. It's very cheap compared to me, okay. Okay, usually I charge more than that, guys, but he's charging very less. His knowledge is very good, guys, okay. I learned some information from him. So if you guys are willing to if you guys are willing to learn trading, if you guys are willing to get into the market, make sure to message in KavinhFX, guys, okay. My IG here, KavinhFX, so make sure to go and message there, guys, okay. So KavinhFX, remember, go and message there, guys. I will give his contact to you. You can join his Telegram group. He will give you guys signals. He will give you guys personal coaching, okay. So yeah, that's it. I would like to end today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.